What is up, YouTube? Finally got the aviary 99% finished. So sorry it took so long to post this video, but hey, here it is. Better late than never. So let's go outside and check it out. So we're exiting the greenhouse now and going into the aviary, which I need to mention. We may get attacked by a breeding pair of macaws. They are over there in that box. Got a blue and gold and then a scarlet. And the blue and gold, I can see him sticking his head up a little bit. But he is super feisty because his woman is sitting on an egg. So anyway, without further ado, here is our aviary we built. All 2.5 inch steel tubing, and if you've watched this channel, then you saw us putting it together. There's some other videos, so I won't go into detail about the initial construction of it. But this is 20 by 30 concrete pad. We just laid block all the way around the perimeter, then went with this wire, which I got from Jacksonville, Florida, and Davidson, W.A. Davidson, I think. It's 1/2 inch by 3 inch galvanized after weld wire. I really like it. You can see great through it, and provides really good protection for the birds, and their feet don't get hung in it like it can in cyclone fencing. So the one thing that I excuse me, have left to do, I want to put a piece of steel support pole in place of this guy. I want to make it look like a tree and have, you know, like some cool perches coming off of it in some fashion, kind of make it look more natural. I've got some ginkgo, some citrus trees planted. We left these cutouts on the floor. Most of them are doing really good. This guy's doing great. So that citrus will grow up and give the birds a place to perch and just give them a, you know, more natural habitat. But turned out pretty neat, you know, for just a homemade aviary. I'm pretty proud of it. And my welder, Aaron, or Aaron as I call him, did a fantastic job building this thing. So that's it, guys. This is it. Pretty much finished, other than just the little final touches, you know, and kind of clean up. Definitely need to get me some more of the natural perches like I've got built there. Dusty, I'm not coming over here to mess with y'all. Yeah, I know. He's very protective. So give me some more perches out here, straighten up a little bit, hang some more stuff for them to swing on. I had to move all the other birds back in just because of this breeding pair. I didn't want anybody messing with them, and hopefully our little baby that'll be coming along soon. So moved everybody back in just for their protection, because Dusty's super mean. That's the blue and gold right there. So if you have any questions, you know, feel free to comment. I try to reply to all of them best I can. So this is it. This is the DIY aviary. I appreciate you guys for watching. I appreciate it greatly. Right now, you'd hit the subscribe and like down there. It helps us out a lot and gives me, you know, more motivation and reason to build some more cool stuff. We've got some cool projects coming up. Got a big fountain that we're making down at our garden center. I'm also putting in a creek. Actually going to be like a Japanese garden style creek. So it's like 150 feet long. Pretty big water feature. So anyway, appreciate you guys. Y'all be safe. Take care. See you later.